Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video right now. Welcome to this channel, Happy Life. If you are new here or this is the first time you came across this video, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friend, and comment in the section box if you have any question regarding this video or anything. Today, I want to share you a growth prayer you can do by yourself at home. Uh, let's get it started. Get a pen and book down so that you can write it all this psalm I want to mention in this video so that you can grab it once. Do this if nothing is working in your life. You are struggling to survive. You face stiff disappointment, failure in business, marriage, very deep and long time poverty, regular sickness, lack of money, lack of work, nobody to help, hatred, rejection, no favor from anywhere. You are surrounded with wealthy people who ordinarily should help you, but they don't. Your market is not selling, your marriage is collapsing, and many other spiritual issues. Please do this work, you will see wonder in your life. Yes. Everyone knows where the sandals pinch him or her. Yes, that is life. But God is answer to all problem. Don't waste money or time again over anything. Here is a simple remedy that won't cost you more than 700 naira Nigeria money, less than $2. That is world money. Please, I beg you in the name of God, follow the instruction and you will see miracle. Get one Goya oil or olive oil. One of the two is okay for it. Get 1 spoon of sea salt. There's nothing we can use for this except the sea salt. Get 1 spoon of original honey and 3 candles. This is how to do it. Put the salt and honey in the oil, light the candle and place them in triangle form. You have to arrange the 3 candle in triangle form, which is one will be like this, one will be like this, and then one will be at the back, so that it will form triangle form. Put the olive oil in the middle of the candle at exact 10 p.m. at night. Get your paper for this so that you can write it down, so you don't make any mistake or you came back to this video to watch it again because you want to do this. Read Psalm 51, 24, 23, Psalm 5, 35, 34, 48, 45, 61, 72, 121, 124, 127, and 136 into it. Let me come again. Read Psalm 51, 24, 23, Psalm 5, 35, 38, 34, 45, 61, 72, 121, 124, 127, and 136 into it. Make sure you open the olive oil when you want to read this. So once you put the olive oil at the middle of the candle, make sure that you open it and read the or the psalm into it. Make your wishes into it. Leave it till the candle burn down. Note, if the candle quenches in the process, don't light it again and don't use it. This means your case needs special attention because the evil power have come to spoil the work. Just throw everything away. You can do it again, but you have to be prayerful. So this is how to use it. Be putting a small portion in your mouth early in the morning with making your wishes, which is you have to pray. Well, once you put once you put it in your mouth, put small in the water you use to bathe. Uh, Use small to rub your head or entire body. You will see wonder in your life generally. Mark my word. Uh, God bless you. God bless all of us. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.